chose Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling based on reviews I looked at and after talking with Casey. I did research and looked at other contractors. They didn't have as good of reviews, and after talking with them, I could really tell Casey had a good handle on the project. We had a great overall experience. Casey and Tom were very responsive, very easy to work with. We encountered challenges along the way, and they were very helpful to resolve them and come up with great solutions. What I like best about our deck is it gives us multiple spaces, multiple levels, both to relax and to entertain outside. We use it a lot. Other contractors were not so responsive and easy to work with. Casey and Tom were great, very, very responsive, very easy to work with. I would definitely recommend Pittsburgh's Best Remodeling to anyone else with a deck project or any other contracting needs.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.